Dear students, today I am going to discuss about the logarithmic differentiation, and here I am going to solve two questions today, very important and different type of question. Okay, here you see x to the power y plus y to the power x is equal to 1, another is what x to the power y into y to the power x is equal to what a, and you have to find what dy by dx. Okay. So here in this particular question you see it is a sum of two term is equal to 1 and here प्रोडक्ट होगा तो हमारे लिए प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, प्रोडक्ट होगा तो हम लॉगरिथम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, सम होगा तो हम लॉगरिथम थोड़ा सा अलग तरीके से यूज़ करेंगे, दूसरा वाला फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे. इफ सम इज देयर और डिफरेंस इज देयर देन e टू द पावर log x इक्वल टू x यूज़ करेंगे, एंड इफ प्रोडक्ट इज देयर देन डायरेक्टली वी टेक लॉगरिथम एंड फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव. ओके, तो फर्स्ट वी सॉल्व द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है, x to the power y plus y to the power x is equal to what 1. So this question you see can be written as we can write e to the power log x to the power y plus this one is also e to the power log y to the power x is equal to what 1. Okay, and then it will come here e to the power y log x plus e to the power x log y. This x will be multiplied here. Okay, you know the formula, log to the power m is equal to what, m into log a. This formula we have applied. Okay, now differentiating both sides. डिफरेंशिएटिंग बोथ साइड विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू x, इसको डेरिवेटिव करेंगे तो क्या होगा, डी टी एक्स ऑफ e टू द पावर y log x प्लस डी टी एक्स ऑफ e टू द पावर x log y, and this is derivative of 1 is what 0, it is a constant quantity. Okay, now use the product rule. First you use chain rule and then use the product rule. Okay, you consider the power of y is what this particular quantity as x. इसको अगर आप x मान लें, if you consider this is equal to x, then it will be e to the power x type, ऐसा हो जाएगा, डी डी एक्स ऑफ e to the power x type हो जाएगा, and डी डी एक्स ऑफ e to the power x क्या है, e to the power x है. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट वी कैन राइट फ्रॉम हियर डी डी एक्स ऑफ e to the power x means y log x, but this particular quantity is not x, it is not similar to x, so उसको फिर डेरिवेटिव करो चेन रूल यूज करके, डी डी एक्स ऑफ वाई लॉग एक्स. ओके, सेम प्रोसेस इज हियर ऑल्सो, e to the power x log y into डी डी एक्स ऑफ what x log y is equal to what 0. Now your job is done. I think very important thing is that e to the power y log x, e to the power y log x क्या था, फिर हम देख लेते हैं e to the power log x to the power y था, and which is equal to x to the power y. Understood? हम इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, x to the power y लिख सकते हैं, and you can write this, वो पावर इधर जाएगा तो this can be written as y to the power x. So the next step we will write what, this is what x to the power y into, there are two functions, this is u, this is b, use product rule, y into ddx of log x plus log x into ddx of y. Log x into ddx of y means dy by dx. Okay, similarly here also it can be x इधर पावर होगा तो y to the power x होगा, y to the power x into, इसको अगर यूज़ करें लॉगरिथम प्रोडक्ट रूल, then what happen, x into डी डी एक्स of log y plus log y into डी डी एक्स of x, डी एक्स of x is what 1, which is equal to what 0. Okay, now here you can multiply it, then x to the power y into y, ddx of log x is what 1 by x, so you can write y by x plus here x to the power y into log x into dy by dx. In this case what will happen, x into y to the power x, and dx of log y is what, 1 by y into dy by dx. I hope you understand. And this one is what, y to the power x into log y equal to 0. Okay, now we contain all the term with dy by dx. dy by dx वाला जितना term है, this term will be with what, left hand side, will be with left hand side, and all the term not containing dy by dx in the right hand side. Okay, so here this x to the power y and x पावर क्या होगा, कम होगा, थोड़ा सा कैंसिल हो गया. x to the power, ये तो y है, y इंटू एक्स टू द पावर y माइनस 1, ऐसा करें, सॉरी थोड़ा सा dy by dx एक साथ कर लें. x to the power y into log x plus, here you do some calculation, this is y to the power x, this is y, कैंसिल हो गया, y to the power x minus 1 होगा. तो x into y to the power x minus 1 into what, dy by dx is equal to all the term, this term and that term go to the left hand side, right hand side. Okay, minus होगा, and this particular term will be what, x and x cancel हो गए, y into x to the power y minus 1 होगा, y into x to the power y minus 1 minus, माइनस होगा, माइनस कॉमन ले लिया, y to the power x into log y. Okay, and finally your answer becomes what, dy by dx is equal to minus y into x to the power y minus 1 plus y to the power x into log y divided by this particular quantity, x to the power y into log x plus x into y to the power x minus 1. So this is the final answer. Okay, I hope that you understand. Nothing is this particular question, just you use the chain rule and all the things you know. Again here is chain rule applied, ddx of log y is equal to what, 1 by y, since y is other than x, the ddx of y equal to what, dy by dx. Okay, why this term is like that, this term you see here, the power of x is equal to what, y, and power of x is equal to what, 1, दोनों क्या करेंगे, कैंसिल करेंगे, तो x to the power क्या हो जाएगा, y minus 1 होगा, and ultimately we get y into x to the power y minus 1, and this is what happens. Similarly here also we can, calculation can be done, and we accumulate all the term containing dy by dx in the left hand side and all the term not containing in the right hand side, and finally we get this particular answer. Okay, so second question is what is the second question? I will give some hints to the second question because you can do it, similar type of question. Hints, this question is what, x to the power y into y to the power x is equal to what, a. So you can take here, product is there, direct take logarithm, taking logarithm, right, taking logarithm on both sides, you will get log x to the power y into y to the power x is equal to what, log a, and if you use product log a b, then it will be log x to the power y plus log y to the power x is equal to what, log a. Okay, this step is not required, taking logarithm तो वहाँ से y steps तक आप लिख सकते हो, then it will be y log x plus x log y equal to log a. Remember that a is a constant quantity and therefore log a is also constant. So when you take differentiation, now next step is differentiating both sides with respect to x. Then you take differentiation of this, ddx of this and ddx of this. इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा, because a is a constant, log is also a constant. And after expansion or through expansion, you will get what, finally your dy by dx. I hope you can do this particular question. You can get the dy by dx. So these are the two questions I have discussed today, and I hope that you understand these two questions. And first question I explained in details, and second question is what just I have given the hints, and I believe that you will able to solve this particular question. Okay, so thank you.